to block people from viewing your Snapchat story. So today in this video, I'll be helping you to fix this problem. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss an update from us. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at the section of Snapchat from where you'll be able to take your Snapchat photos or videos. As a first step, tap over your profile in the left upper corner, and here will be the biggest option. If you see at my stories, there is add to my story option, and right next to it there is a three-dotted horizontal line. Simply tap over there and go for story settings, under which you have to select your custom. So over here you have to select the person or the people from whom you want to hide your story, and after that you just have to go for block option at the bottom, and by doing that these friends will be blocked and they won't be able to see your story. So this is how you can block someone from viewing your Snapchat story. I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.